All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Thanks so much for subscribing to this channel. Our prayer has been that the good Lord will continue to support you all in all your endeavors as you keep supporting this channel. We'll say a very big amen to that, my people. Well, my people, this is another one reaching us right now. Well, Oduduwa Nation, no going back, and exactly what the people are still talking about. Well, this time around, I think we need to be, jubilating in the sense that either the enemy likes it or not, Yoruba Nation is set for actualization. In fact, Yoruba Nation is actualized already. Yeah, so in case you don't know, it's just for this set of people to get their declaration. It's just for them to declare for themselves as soon as possible, as soon as they are ready. And then right now, with the news reaching us right now, a lot of politicians have been exposed because right now, no, there is news reaching us right now that the Yoruba politicians who are for one Nigeria, no, definitely they will not be happy that this set of people have gained their freedom. So right now, because they have definitely seen it that if these people venture, like a venture come out for this no country, say they won't get their own nation, say in fact anything want to buy one here, they know it simply because they have not done well from the onset. Yeah, so corruption everywhere, they are enjoying it because it's not affecting them. So that is why they are not in support of the Yoruba nation. And then this time around, no, when God is for you, no matter what the enemy try to do, they can never get you, and that's exactly one thing we are sure of. Yes, talking about the Ojibwa nation, the agitation had been on for long. A lot of people had died in the process, but thank God for today, the Yoruba nation finally had been actualized. It's just for the declaration. And then what exactly is stopping this movement, this declaration, is because there are some things that are needed to be put in place. Yes, and then as it stands right now, with the news reaching us, in fact, we have been expecting this to happen. And what is that thing? It has been that the Yoruba politicians are now looking for means to attack the Yoruba nation agitators. This is another serious one. I think at this juncture right now, everybody needs to be vigilant. Yeah, I like the fact that the Yoruba nation agitators are not boastful of what they have to fight back, simply because they so much believe in God in the first place. And then at the same time, if care is not taken, these people are not the set of people you used to know, and exactly what it is. And then this time around, the politicians are hungry, and you should know these Yoruba politicians definitely. We will not even call this set. I will not call them the Yoruba traitors, though we still have Yoruba traitors that are giving informations to all these politicians about what is going on in Oduduwa nation. That's why we have been warned not to mention everything that is going to happen. But some set of people definitely, I know majority of people are happy that this movement had been actualized. But there's still some set of people who are traitors. They are pretenders. They are not for the Oduduwa nation, but they will just pretend to be part. At the end of the day, they will go out there and leak secrets and expose what the real Yoruba nation agitators have in plan to the politicians, simply because of the peanuts you are going to get. And then thank God, the true ones have actually declared curses on this set of people, that any Yoruba person who is a traitor, that is exposing the movement to politicians simply because of peanut or whatsoever, such a person will never see the light of the day. And I think this definitely will surely catch up with that person. Why did I say so? Because I have seen it that there is God in this movement. Yes, I've been following up the movement since the beginning, and then we have seen what is going on. A lot of things, happened that this set of people escaped severally. Or is it Chief Sunday we want to talk about the time whereby the so-called DSS invaded his house? Is that the person we want to talk about? When DSS invaded his house, and then at the end of it all, about 300 men at the middle of the night, uninformed, yet they were unable to capture this man. So what else? And a lot of people have said it, that this man is sent from God to fight for his people. A lot of people will be like, why is it that his wife is still allowing him to, continue with this agitation? My brother, this is to tell you that there is God in it, because it's not every woman or wife we say her husband should continue in this kind of movement after all that had happened. Or is it the mother of Igbo that we want to talk about, that she should have, if it were to be an ordinary movement, an ordinary person, the mother would have come out to say, oh, no, 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 oh, my son, you can never continue in this anymore. But all these people know what is going on. They know that God has ends in it, that Sunday Igboho Sha himself is not an ordinary person, simply because God, he has the backing of God. Well, what are we saying in essence right now is that the Yoruba politicians, who are taking it as a do or die, who are so much in support of one Nigeria simply because of what they believe they will get. Because I am very sure they are not fighting for the peace or the progress of the Yoruba people. We have seen it all. They are fighting for their own pockets. That's why they want to get there by all means. And then with the look of things, it's only God that will help them, because we have seen what happened in the primary, and a lot of things that if this set of people are not careful, we just pray that they even succeed it. Because right now the Northerners have said it, that they were born to rule, or they are born to rule, whatever, whichever way. But and exactly what is happening right now, Atiku has taken the mantle of the PDP staff, this PDP flag for 2023 election. So what are we talking about? He won, and then exactly the same thing they are trying to even do at the APC party. Now we have Ahmed Lawan in this movement, and of which that definitely somebody like Goodluck Ebele Jonathan will just like, let me just step down for him. And what is going to happen between Oshibajo and Bola Ahmed Tinubu, because definitely they have put some kind of no disputes between these people. Yes, so that at the end of the day, they will not most of their followers will not even know who to vote for. And don't forget that these people are from the southwest, and then the southwesterners have already said, come 2023, they are not voting for these people. I don't know if the minority will be coming out, but the majority of the southwesterners have made up their mind and no vote. So, and then meanwhile, the northerners will not want to vote for a Yoruba man, when they have their own Ahmed Lawan, who is from the north. So who is deceiving who? Now for PDP, it has been certain, it has been ordained, it has been given to Atiku, who is from the north. Then APC, how many people can remain there? So that is why these people have to wake up. That's why they are saying Odudua Nation make corner shine on a high, because these people, they no get better mind for now. But none of them is looking towards that direction. But one good thing I so much love in this movement has been that the Yoruba Nation agitators already knew what is going to happen. They've said it, our Mumu don't do it. Don't tell where they don't they push us inside bush, then they do us anyhow. But this time around, we don't wake up. Even the referendum where we say we've been ask them, may they give us. Now where we say they can't show themselves, say nothing, they no go give us the referendum. That same referendum right now, they don't use that, they beg them, because they don't say these people they don't meet up to pass even the percentage where then expect, where the United Nations expects the petition way to be signed. Let's use it, let's say it's the way it is. They have passed the number, the percentage that were expected. That's what we're talking about. 5 million petition expected right now. Yoruba Nation agitators have more than 5 million. So what are we talking about? And at this time around, the Yoruba politicians have been exposed, because right now the Yoruba Nation agitators have it at the back of their minds that they have even put up a date for a mega rally, which will be commencing on the 3rd of June. That is next week, Saturday. This Saturday coming, 3rd of June 2022. A mega rally, and this time around some set of people have exposed it to them that, oh, okay, these people, they want rally for their nation. We go attack them. Right now, the so-called politicians have also been exposed. See wetin dem wan do now on Saturday, June 3rd, dey wey be say una wan gather together, say una wan do rally, mega rally o. Dis pipu say okay, make we see how una wan take succeed am, because we no go allow una make una do dis una rally exactly. And then somebody, one of the people who who had been around, who actually knows what is going on, expose these same plans to the people of Yoruba. That is to tell you that when you know what your enemies have for you, that means you have conquered such an enemy, and exactly what it is. Oduduwa nation no going back, and exactly what the people are still talking about. Well, no, it has been said that politicians are planning to distract the Yoruba people. And then somebody is saying that Tinubu is angry about this movement that the Yoruba people won't consider, they won't get their nation. So in fact, as it stands, so that they are of the opinion that they are not aware of this, their so-called they are not aware of this, their so-called leaving Nigeria for their own nation. Okay, nobody, make una no worry. It don't happen, it don't happen. God is behind these people. And I so much love the combination of these people, Yoruba Nation agitators. They are so together. The other time they had a comprehensive meeting on Zoom, and then a majority of them spoke at length, and they were on point. There is love. They understand what they are into, and that is what it's supposed to be. These people have good plans for the people. Henceforth, people will be living large. They'll be living like they are in America. That is what the kind of plan the Yoruba nation has for their city, for its citizens. Yes, let's use it that way. Well, meanwhile, a lot of things are actually being said, but this time around, the politicians have been exposed. They have bad plans. So all the agitators have to strategize themselves onto this one. Well, this is what we have right now onto this one, my people. Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this. And remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right. Thanks and God bless.